Hello traders, welcome to my channel AM Trading Tips, your one-stop destination for actionable trading tools and strategies. In our last video, we explored how the ABCD chart pattern works in binary trading. Today, we're switching gears and testing this strategy in Forex trading to see how effective it really is. But first, a quick reminder, Forex trading involves financial risk, and you could lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only invest funds you can afford to lose. Let's talk about the ABCD chart pattern auto signals indicator for MT4. This tool is designed to scan Forex price charts automatically and provide bullish or bearish arrow signals based on predefined wave ratios. Key features of the indicator: works seamlessly on all time frames, intraday, daily, weekly, and monthly. Ideal for both new and experienced traders. Helps new traders spot patterns quickly and lets advanced traders create complex strategies. And the best part? You can download this indicator for free on my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Here's how the signals work. A blue up arrow signals an uptrend. Enter a buy trade with a stop loss below the previous swing low and take profit at the end of the CD wave or the next resistance level. A red down arrow signals a downtrend. Place a sell trade with a stop loss above the previous swing high and aim to book profits at the CD wave's end or the next support level. This indicator helps you scan charts automatically, so you can focus on trading profitably without wasting time on manual analysis. For today's Forex trading session, we'll use a 5-minute candle time frame. Let's jump into a live trade using the signals from this indicator so you can see it in action. But before we begin, a quick reminder, always test this indicator on a demo account first to understand its behavior and performance before using it in live trading. If you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable trading tips and strategies. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. All right, traders, we've just received a sell signal from the ABCD chart pattern indicator. This is a great opportunity, so let's act quickly. I'm placing a sell trade right now. Here's the setup. Take profit level at the C wave of the ABCD pattern. Stop loss at the last resistance level to manage risk. By setting these levels, we're protecting ourselves while giving this trade the best chance for success. Now, let's wait and see how this trade plays out. The key to success is following your strategy and staying patient. If you have any questions about this indicator or how to use it, feel free to drop them in the comment box below. I'll personally respond to your questions and help you out. All right, traders, let's let the trade run its course. Stay tuned for the results. And remember, trading is about consistency, patience, and discipline. Great news, traders. We've won this trade. The setup worked perfectly, and we're in the profit zone. This is the power of following a well-tested strategy and sticking to the trading plan. Remember, every win is a step closer to mastering your trading skills. Now that we've locked in a win, it's time to find our next trade setup. But here's the key. Patience is everything. Don't rush into trades. Wait for the right signal that aligns with our strategy and rules to maximize your success. All right, traders. We've just received a sell signal from the ABCD chart pattern. Let's quickly place a sell trade and set up the following levels. Take profit at the support level near the S wave of the ABCD pattern. Stop loss above the previous swing high to manage risk. Now, let's wait and see how this trade performs. While we wait, let's talk about something every trader needs to know: how to avoid mistakes in Forex trading. Define your strategy, risk tolerance, and goals. Stick to your plan. It's your blueprint for success. Use proper position sizing and never risk more than 1 or 2% of your account on a single trade. And always set a stop loss. Don't trade out of boredom or frustration. Wait for the right setup that matches your strategy. Stay disciplined. Don't let greed or fear drive your decisions. It can lead to costly mistakes. Test new strategies on a demo account before trading live. It's the best way to learn without risking real money. The Forex market is always changing. Keep learning and refining your strategies as you gain experience. Record your trades, wins, and mistakes. Reviewing your journal helps you identify patterns and improve over time. By following these simple tips, you can minimize mistakes and become a more consistent trader. Now, let's check back on our trade and see how it's doing. We've done it, traders. We've won this trade, and that's a fantastic result. The strategy worked perfectly, and we're ending this session on a high note. I hope this video was not just helpful, but also informative for you. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, the key takeaway here is to trust your strategy and remain disciplined. If you have any questions or need any clarification, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Your feedback is important to me, and I'm always happy to address your concerns or suggestions. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your support means the world to me and motivates me to create even more awesome content tailored just for you. And hey, don't keep this to yourself. Share this video with your trading community. Let's grow together as traders and help each other reach new heights. Remember, trading is a journey, and every step, whether it's a win or a loss, is part of your growth. Keep learning, keep improving, and always stay focused on your goals. The power to succeed is truly in your hands. It's about consistent effort, patience, and the willingness to adapt and grow. Thanks for watching, traders. I'll see you in the next video with more tips, strategies, and tools to help you succeed in your trading journey. Until then, stay disciplined and trade smart.